Okay, Gabby, show me 3 o'clock.
I can show you 3 o'clock. Just wait a little.
Good. Now show me 9 o'clock. Yeah, you got it. You got it. That was 9 o'clock. You got it. Right there. You had it. Now show me 10 o'clock. Good job. Now show me 1 o'clock. Good job. Now show me 6 o'clock. Good job. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.